So today I want to show you how you're going to find the Portraits Made Simple free drawing workshop that we're doing this December. But you'll notice that when you log in, you might not see the same thing on your activity feed here as I'm seeing. This feed is a lot like in Facebook or other social media networks. It constantly posts the thing that just got commented on, the most recent post. So you probably won't see these same articles here. Instead, what you can do is go over to Discovery here on our sidebar. Once you click Discovery, and this is also on the menu you can find on your app if you're checking this out on your mobile device, then you can scroll down a little bit to see some of the many different posts and options that you have here in 10 Steps to Drawing. So what you're going to look for is Featured, our Featured section. And this is where you're going to find the most recent videos and explanations of the monthly drawing challenge. So for the Portraits Drawing Packet, look out for this post. You'll see a lovely portrait of a lady looking down. And here, if you click this, you can scroll and download our drawing guide for this 4-week workshop. This is going to tell you all about how to get the most out of the challenge, materials needed, our 4-week overview, and you can print out a drawing tracker to really help you stay motivated, keep doing each and every drawing assignment, and at the very least make sure that you've done all of the homework. Going back to our post here, I want to point out that you can actually enlarge this half page by pushing these gray arrows up here if you happen to like a wider view. And if you have any questions or comments, at the bottom of each post, you'll see this little text entry point. If you start typing in here, you can send me a note and I will be immediately able to respond to you. Let's close that and check out what else we have so far in the Portraits Made Simple Drawing Workshop. Here we have the latest video for week 1 of Portraits Made Simple, and that is all about portrait proportions. So to view this, I have the YouTube link right here that'll pop you straight to the video, and whenever you join these videos, you're actually going to be drawing along with me. So bring a pencil and your sketchbook and be ready to draw. If we close out of that, we are back in the Discovery tab in the Featured section where the replay of every week's video will be posted each week. So come back here when you're looking for the new video. I do want to let you know that you always have the ability to check out past monthly challenges. If you want to see more, check out the See More button and you can go all the way through the history of all of the featured posts, which are always going to have either the drawing guides, so the downloadable guides for the week or for the month, and the videos where you can watch the lessons and draw along with us. So this is really a library of classes and drawing guides to give you your curriculum and to take you step by step through the lessons. I really hope that if you find something that piques your interest to learn to draw, such as figure drawing or the elements of art, that you take some time to go back and see what is available to you here in the Featured section, which is going to be found again in Discovery. And you'll also find, here it is again, Featured. If you go back to the home page, which you can do by clicking Home or the logo, that you can scroll and often the Featured section will pop up after you've been on the site a few times. So keep an eye out for that. In the meantime, when you're on the course website and you see somebody's artwork that you like, take a second and give them a heart. And since you're just getting started, it's wonderful to add a profile picture. So if you haven't already, please do upload something so that we can get to know you by your face. Here's one of me teaching and feel just a little bit more connected to you. So this is a membership site more than anything. So being able to meet each other, learn more about each other, and cheer each other on as we all learn to draw is one of the best things going on in this membership course. So thanks for joining me, and I hope that you enjoy this month's drawing challenge.